There are days when you wake up and you don't sound very good, and no matter what you do, your high notes feel really strained and laborious. And when that happens, this is what I do. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the massage points for high notes. And I do this with my students before all of their lessons. And this is what I do before I sing, and also when singing feels extra hard, especially the high notes. So I'm going to show you some of the stretches and massage points that are really, really effective in getting those high notes out. And before we get to them, I want to do a before and after example. So we're going to warm up for a minute, and then we're going to do the massage, and then we're going to sing again. And so you can see how that really changes the way you sound and the ease of the singing high notes. So let's start out with ya ha 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 ha. So use the ha 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 to transition from the low, mid, and high registers. So ya ha 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 ha, 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 ya ha ha ha, ya ha ha ha, ya ha that was a G5. And if you're a guy, take it an octave lower and see if you can get to the G4. All right, now I'm going to show you the massage points. First, we're going to just stretch our neck, put your head down and press down with your hands. And we're going to hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And put your head to the side and press down here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to the other side and press down and really feel the stretch here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. And I'm going to show you the massage points now. So you want to massage right here, right above the neck, these muscles. And these muscles are connected to the muscles that you use for singing high notes. So when high notes feel hard, really get these muscles. And it's probably tight. Most people are tight in their neck and shoulders, and they don't really tend to them. And 100% of my students have tight neck and shoulders. And so this is really essential. So really dig into those muscles. And then, you want to spend more time depending on how tight you are. And then you want to get the sides of the neck. So right here. So massage these muscles. You're probably very tight, as most people are. And spend, you can spend, up to like 5 minutes on each of these areas. And really, if you feel any knots or any place that feels especially tight, spend a little more time in that area. Yeah, and really get like where the neck meets the head and down, and where the neck meets the shoulder. You'll probably feel a knot here. So spend some time massaging that area. And put your head down and just really feel the stretch in the back of your neck. And your shoulders. And if you need more time, you can pause this video and spend more time. And also underneath the collarbones. So these muscles really are, you know, they affect the singing muscles that you use when you're singing, especially those high notes. Okay, and we're going to massage the jaw. You probably have a very tight jaw as well. And we don't really think to massage the jaw, right? So massage the jaw. And open your mouth and get underneath your cheekbones. And underneath your cheekbones, there's a muscle that's also very tight. So it might hurt if you're not used to massaging these muscles. You might find it really painful. So see if you can like do these massages throughout the week, just little by little, or go get a massage. But then, you know, like the people at the massage places, they don't really massage your face, right? And your jaw. And after this, you want to get the temples. And keep breathing. Some of you are super tight, so keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Keep the breath going. And really like into the head as well, not just here, but into the head area. And if you need to work on this area more or any of the areas, just pause and continue to work on that area. And we're going to massage the root of the tongue, and that's right here underneath the chin. So you want to grab 2 thumbs and massage forward like this. Keep breathing. And if you have tongue tension, most people have tongue tension. You probably have tongue tension and you don't know it. So watch when you sing, watch your tongue in the mirror and see if it dips or if it, you know, makes a shape where the tongue, just look at your mouth when it's relaxed, and when it doesn't look like that when you're singing, your tongue is tense. And when your tongue is tense, your throat, your larynx is going to tense up and your singing is going to feel extra hard. So one way to do that is just to massage the root of the tongue. And stick your tongue out like this and hold it out as far as you can just to stretch it, and we're going to hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back in. And so that's the extent of the massages. And let's try singing those notes again. And they should feel much easier as you go up higher. So let's start on a E major scale, and we're going to go up, and so we're going to do the same warm up. Yeah, ha, 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 ha. So ready, and yeah, ha, 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 ha. 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 Yeah, ha, ha, ha. Make sure you open your mouth more. And your high notes should feel a little easier and more relaxed. And if you feel still, you know, some tension in your singing, go back and massage this area more. Depending on which muscles are tight, your sound is going to be different. And I can usually tell which muscles are tight depending on how my students sound. So just check all these muscles, the neck, the shoulders, underneath the collarbones, and the jaw especially. If your tongue is tight, your jaw is tight. If your jaw is tight, your tongue is tight. So make sure you work out all these muscles before you sing and see your singing transform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.